How can I fix my Facebook Messenger active status if it is showing incorrectly?
Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll discuss how to fix your Facebook Messenger active status if it is showing incorrectly. If you've been experiencing issues with your active status on Facebook Messenger, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore some possible solutions.
Check your Messenger app settings.
The first step is to check your Messenger app settings. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner to access your settings. 3. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the Active Status option. 4. Tap on Active Status and ensure that it is toggled on. By enabling the Active Status feature, your contacts will be able to see when you're active on Messenger.
Update the Messenger app.
If your active status is still showing incorrectly, it's worth updating your Messenger app to the latest version. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve app performance. Here's how you can update the Messenger app. 1. Open the App Store on your device, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. 2. Search for Messenger in the App Store search bar. 3. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to the Messenger app. 4. Tap on the Update button to install the latest version. Updating the Messenger app may resolve any technical issues that could be causing the incorrect active status display.
Clear cache and data, Android only.
For Android users, clearing the cache and data of the Messenger app can sometimes help fix issues with active status. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings menu on your Android device. 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The name may vary depending on your device. 3. Find and tap on Messenger in the list of installed apps. 4. On the Messenger app info page, tap on Storage. 5. You'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Start with clearing the cache first. 6. If the issue persists, you can also try clearing the data. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out of the Messenger app, so make sure you know your login credentials. Clearing the cache and data can sometimes resolve issues related to incorrect active status on Messenger.
Contact Facebook support.
If none of the previous solutions have fixed your active status issue, it's time to contact Facebook support for further assistance. They have the expertise to troubleshoot complex problems and can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. To reach out to Facebook support, follow these steps. 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. 3. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support. 4. From the available options, choose the relevant category or topic related to your issue. 5. Browse through the articles to see if you can find a solution. If not, look for the Still Need Help option and tap on it. 6. You'll be presented with different support options, such as chat support or submitting a support ticket. Choose the option that suits you best. Facebook support will guide you further and help resolve the active status issue on Messenger. That wraps up our video on fixing an incorrectly displayed active status on Facebook Messenger. We hope one of the solutions discussed in this video has helped you resolve.